Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the split screen view for an app on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So the split screen view allows you to run two apps side by side on your Samsung S25 Ultra's large display. So whether you're watching a video while replying to a message or browsing the web while taking notes, this feature maximizes the power of your screen size and multitasking capabilities. So here's an example. Let's go ahead and open up YouTube. So in YouTube, I'm basically learning something about the eye here. So the eye anatomy in 3 minutes. So here I want to go ahead and take notes on the eye itself. So in order to do this, I can go ahead and run this in split screen mode. So I can go ahead and play the video here at the top, and at the bottom here, I can go ahead and take my notes. So we'll go ahead and open up Samsung Notes. We'll go ahead and create a new note. And now as you can see, I don't want to go ahead and switch between these two apps and take my notes. I want to go ahead and start it in split screen mode. So in order to do this, I can go ahead and tap on this task changer here, go ahead and tap on YouTube, and then go ahead and tap on open in split screen view. Now here, this will basically open it in at the top here. Next, I want to go ahead and choose the Notes app to open it right here at the bottom. So now as you can see, our note has been opened here. I can go ahead and play this in full screen, press play, and then using my S Pen, I can go ahead and create my notes. So as the video is being played, I can go ahead and make all my notes. I can go ahead and rewind, fast forward, and see what I've missed. And this way, basically, I can make all my notes. So this gives you a desktop-like multitasking on your phone. It's basically improving your productivity, and you basically make full use of your Ultra's massive screen real estate. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the split screen view for an app on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.